Welcome to this quick tutorial on using SciSpace Chat with PDF to interact with and better understand your research papers. With this AI assistant, you can directly query your PDFs, extract summaries, highlight key findings, decode mathematical expressions, and interpret complex tables, all within an intuitive interface. To analyze your full-text PDFs, head over to ChatPDF and upload the file that you wish to read or analyze. After uploading, the PDF automatically gets saved in your library. You can access it anytime under My Library. It will remain private only to you. Open the document using the built-in PDF viewer. To start exploring the paper, either pose your query, use brainstorm questions, or choose one from preset prompts to initiate the interaction with the paper. To analyze a specific section, just select the text and ask the AI assistant to explain or summarize it. It simplifies technical content while preserving the core meaning, making comprehension faster and more efficient. If you find any text or part of the content relevant, this can be highlighted, annotated, or saved directly to your notebook for future reference. This is particularly useful for literature reviews or preparing your manuscripts. Use the Get Related Papers feature to explore additional literature on the same topic. Our AI assistant surfaces semantically similar papers to expand your review. Turn on high-quality mode for enhanced responses and highly relevant sources. Ask your questions and get answers with clickable source links, helping you locate them in the PDF. With the Explain Math feature, you can snip equations, tables, or figures and have them clearly explained to you in easy-to-digest nuggets. Optimize the responses by adjusting preferences, including response length, tone, format, or level of detail, based on the kind of analysis you're doing, whether it's conceptual or technical. All responses can be copied or saved to your notebook. If you're working in a multilingual context, just switch the response language for greater clarity. Additionally, you can listen to audio summaries of papers. That's how you can use Chat with PDF to read and interact with your PDFs. Apart from this, ChatPDF helps you to chat with papers available on SciSpace Papers, Search, and Your Library. In Your Library, it supports chatting with multiple PDFs at once. The tool is available handy via a Chrome extension. With this plugin, you can get related papers and also chat with PDFs right on sites like Google Scholar, Elsevier, and PubMed. Use SciSpace across any academic site. That was a brief walkthrough of SciSpace Chat with PDF. Whether you're preparing for a presentation, writing a thesis, or conducting a meta-analysis, it can streamline your reading and review process. Get started now.